Here we are again with Tom's Blister D restoration. Who's making all the noise tonight? What are you doing, Tom? What are you doing, Tom?
Just cleaning it inside, just de-rusting it all with this.
Ah, I see. So what have you got in there? Some bits of... Oh, let's have a look what Tom's shaking in his fuel can. Oh look, there's lots of rust coming out there, Tom. So we've got some bits of scrap in there, have we? Cutting Tom's head off. Lots of rust coming out of there, mate. We've got some bits of scrap in. Good work that, Tom. Keep it up. What else have we been doing? Let's just have a look at Tom's engine. Well, we've had the cover off the governor, giving it all a good clean out. The linkage, I'm at the moment making Tom a new link, the horizontal link. It was almost sheared and I've tried welding it, but it wasn't very successful, so we're just going to make a new one out of a piece of 8mm rod, turn the ends appropriately. So we're really just waiting now on the new linkage. We've got the carb back on there. Don't have an exhaust yet for this engine. As we've mentioned earlier, we've got the magneto back on and that's producing a nice spark. We bought Tom a spark plug, so we've got the spark plug in and that's all wired up. So once we've got the governor linkage sorted out, then hopefully we can have a go at starting the engine. So keep watching and like, share and subscribe. See you later. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Good lad.